Feels easy, right? Swipe now, worry later? That $200 dinner, still costing you $274, thanks to interest. Use credit only for what's planned, not what's fun, not what's emotional, not what's urgent. Keep one card, pay it off monthly. Get rewards, not regret. Credit is a tool, not your lifestyle. Budget smart. Save with purpose. Subscribe to Life on a Ledger. Remember, start budgeting smart today. Protect your credit and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.